Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk you through on how I clean my brushes. They were my dirty brushes. So first you're going to need some soap, a brush mat which comes in handy, and so what I do is I swirl my brush into the soap. I wet it first to lather it up, and then I go onto the different patterns and just swirl it around until I see it clear, and just give it a bit of a wash so it lathers up more and try and get all the filth out. I usually get my brushes really dirty, so I need to have them pristine clean, and this soap that I'm using is called Sard soap. You can get it from Coles or Woolworths, I'm pretty sure, and it's only like under $3. I think it's like $2.68 to be precise, if I'm right. So I'm just gonna, after I finish cleaning my brushes, what I do is I clean the soap and I clean the mat that I use to clean my brushes, and I lather my beauty blender up into the soap and sort of brush it around the mat. I do this really gently because otherwise it will like rip it and stuff, and I don't want that. So here it is, pristine, clean. So happy. I can never ever use this beauty blender dirty. I don't know why, I just can't do it. But here I am getting all the moisture out of the brushes just really quickly. And there is a method that I actually learnt from a Manny MUA. I know, anyway. And so what you do is you get a piece of toilet paper, clean, I might add, hasn't been in the toilet, so make sure that you're using a clean, fresh one because you don't want them dirty particles in there. And what I do is I roll the I roll the toilet paper around the handle of the brush really tightly, and then I slip it up, making sure that all the bristles are nice and put together, because otherwise they will just dry and they'll be all the bristles just flail everywhere, and I do not like that at all. I hate that. So that is my method of keeping them nice and put together. And then this is in the morning, so I'm going through them and they are all put together. They are nice and dry and clean. So here's how I wash my brushes. I hope that you learnt something new and that this helped you out. This is honestly like the best way to wash brushes for myself. So I hope that this will help you in washing your brushes. I actually quite find it therapeutic. So yeah, this is how I wash my brushes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.